Good evening, folks. This is Cy. I just want to give you a quick update on my initial testing with the Amazon Wand gadget that I just got in the mail today. Basically, it's comparable to the dash buttons, which you see I have a small collection of. But like with the dash buttons, of course, you just press a button. It just sends an order straight to Amazon. No questions asked. Charges it against whatever card. With the wand, it kind of does that, but with a little added functionality. Essentially, I can take this barcode reader and just scan something, for example, and it'll just add it to my shopping cart, which I'll just grab something randomly. You hold down the little button, you see, just like that. It does a quick scan. And at this point, if I go into my shopping cart, you'll see there's the item I just scanned. Now, some things it may not, necessarily recognize right away. Like, for example, I'll just use this Bud Light bottle here. I don't know, it's kind of reflective, so we'll see how well this works. Now, it actually recognized that, but like when I scanned a case of beer earlier, for example, it didn't exactly put it in my shopping cart. But you can see that it did definitely scan something. And at this point, it'll let me choose from a selection of items that are related to that. Of course, beer not being one of them. But anyhow, like another function of this is it has the voice control functionality, much like the Echo speakers. Like right here, I have a Amazon Tap speaker, which has the push button control to initiate the voice operation. I have it programmed currently to where I don't have to push the button. I can just say her name out loud. Like I've got a few smart home controls built in, for example, like we'll just say, Alexa, turn on the kitchen light.
Okay.
Well, just like that, I can do this number. Turn off the kitchen light.
Okay.
And you see how that works. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting little device. Costs about $20. Now, usually when you buy these dash buttons, they go for about $5. But the moment you place your first order with one, that $5 instantly gets applied toward that first purchase. So the buttons become free, essentially, when it's all said and done. The wand costs about $20. I thought I read somewhere that gets applied toward like your first order kind of thing. I haven't exactly tested that just yet, but I will. So more to come on that. I'll also be comparing it against voice control through the Amazon Fire HD tablet, as well as an Android phone. And of course, I'm using a Windows phone to record this. And then, of course, I got a Surface 4 Pro to run the website. So more to come later. I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse at what I'm messing with here, and I'll post some further videos once I get down to the nitty gritty of it. Have a good night.